Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hindustan ka dil dekho, a catchphrase of the Madhya Pradesh tourism is enough to describe the significance of the state that lies at the heart of incredible India. Due to its geographical location, it is fondly called as the heart of India. Overview of Madhya Pradesh. The state is bordered by 5 different states, historically known as Malwa. Madhya Pradesh, the second largest state in India, and it ranks 6th in terms of population. MP's capital is Bhopal and the largest city is Indore. Formation and carve-up of state. The state of Madhya Pradesh formed on 1st November 1956. First capital city was Nagpur. On 1st November 2001, Chhattisgarh was carved out of Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh tourism. The Khajuraho group of monuments is a group of Hindu temples and Jain temples. They are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Great Stupa at Sanchi, commissioned in 2nd century BCE by the Maurya Empire Ashoka. Orsha, founded by Bundela Rajput chief Rudra Pratap in 16th century. Gwalior. This historic city is replete with forts, museum and other historic monuments which gives a glimpse of bygone era. The caves of Bhimbetka is a collection of 600 caves and considered one of the oldest caves of India. Mandu. Munch Talao and Kapur Talao that makes Jahaz Mahal looks as if it's floating. Maheshwar. The town lies on the north bank of Narmada river. The city of temples Ujjain, being one of the 4 places in India where Kumbh Mela is hosted in every 12 years. Marble rocks of Bhedaghat. Situated at the Bhedaghat by the side of river Narmada, it is also famous for the beautiful Dhuada waterfalls. Amarkantak. This is where the Narmada river, the Son river and Johila river emerge. Chitrakoot. This was the site of Bharat Milap. Pachmadi. The beautiful hills of Pachmadi, and it is the only hill station in Madhya Pradesh. Bandhavgarh. The density of the tiger population at Bandhavgarh is the highest known in India. Kanha National Park is one of the most beautiful and biggest national park in Madhya Pradesh. The inspiration for Jungle Book. Pech. Pech National Park, named after the pristine river Pains which flows through the park. Interesting facts about Madhya Pradesh. Sandipani Ashram, the school of Lord Krishna at Ujjain. Largest number of tribal groups in India. Adivasi population is 21.1% of the total population of the state. Huge road and rail network. Being landlocked state with no coastline, bus and trains covers most of the Madhya Pradesh. Narmada is the longest river in Madhya Pradesh. The main rivers of MP are Chambal, Betwa, Sindh, Narmada, Tapti, Mahanadi and Indravati. India's largest water carnival. Every year Hanumantiya hosts India's only and largest water carnival, Jal Mahotsav. Madhya Pradesh has the largest reserve of many minerals in India like diamond and copper in India. Important plants. Low literacy rate. Classical music like Baiju Bawra and Tansen. 2 out of 12 Jyotirling, Omkareshwar and Mahakaleshwar. Buddhist monument Sanchi Stoop. Folk dances of Madhya Pradesh. Highest peak of Madhya Pradesh, Dhupgarh. High Court. Largest district by population, Indore. Famous personalities of Madhya Pradesh. Chandrasekhar Azad, eminent freedom fighter who was born in present Alirajpur district of Madhya Pradesh. Kailash Satyarthi, who is a famous children right activist. He was born in Vidisha of MP. Makhan Lal Chaturvedi was the eminent person who contributed in Hindi literature. He was born in Hoshangabad district. Sharad Joshi was a famous Hindi poet, writer, essayist, and scriptwriter. Johnny Walker, whose actual name was Badruddin Jamaluddin Qazi, worked as comedian in Hindi films, was born in Indore. Kishore Kumar, the famous legendary actor and playback singer of Hindi films, was born in Khandwa district of Madhya Pradesh. Lata Mangeshkar, the popular playback singer and Bharat Ratna award winner, was born in Indore of Madhya Pradesh. Jaya Bachchan Bhaduri, the popular former actress and present member of parliament, was born in Jabalpur of Madhya Pradesh. Arjun Rampal, the Hindi movie actor, was born in Jabalpur in year 1972. Mansoor Ali Khan, Amey Khurasiya, Narendra Dhirwania, the famous cricketers who are related to Madhya Pradesh. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.